John Deere rear winch headache rack. Integrated MOLLE webbing, you can customize that, or as you can see, we have made it match the machine. This is the Gator, running cows, working fences, hauling feed to the deer lease, anything. You gotta stay hydrated. Roto pack's already been installed. Click that on there. You have your water jug for any needs. It's got the winch up top, gives you access to winch anything up in the bed. Also has the lights. The John Deere comes factory with the dual row lights. We added the 3-inch quad row lights right here. It's gonna light everything up behind you when you're working late nights, needing to find a cow or anything like that. The MOLLE webbing is removable, so you have access to clean your windshield if it gets a little mud or dirt on it. The possibilities to mount up to this thing are almost endless. As you can see, we have the roto packs already mounted up. You could do chainsaws, shovels, anything that's gonna help you out when you're working. So one of my favorite things about the Gator is the bed does tilt. With our headache rack, you're still gonna be able to access that, tilt your bed, use that winch if you're needing to get some logs up in here. You took it to the deer lease and you're pulling up that trophy buck. Whatever you use it for, you're gonna be able to access it with the headache rack installed on the back of the Gator. Stay tuned because we have tons and tons of more products coming out for the John Deere Gator. In the meantime, hop on the website, sign up for our newsletter, thumperfab.com. I'll see you on the trails.